Data has become one of the major necessity right now across the world due to the impact of the internet, right? In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get up to 10 gig of data every single day with this very simple application. Now, but the good news here is that it works for all networks, right? If you're using 9MOBILE, GLO, MTN or AIRTEL, it works for all networks, but it's only restricted to some applications and to some websites, of which I'm going to be showing you right here in this video. If getting up to 10 gigabytes every single day sound interesting to you, you want to make sure you stick around in this video because I'm going to be sharing with you the applications and how you can go about it. Now, there's no VPN needed. This is not a trick or a tweak. It's just a simple method you can use to accumulate data for yourself. So with that said, I'll take you to my phone screen right now, showing you how you can get up to 10 gigabytes every single day. And note that this might not work for everyone, but if you are lucky enough, it will work for you. So let's dive into my screen.
So guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get 10 gig every single day in all network, be it MTN, Glo, 9Mobile or Airtel. And this is a new method on how you can get free data. Now, data has been one of the major criterions and one of the major places people spend their money on, because data consumes most of our money these days, right? Now, what I'll have you to do is to go through this video step by step and apply what I will be showing you in this video, and you are going to be having a simple trick on how you can get 10 gig of data every single day. Now, the first thing to do is to open this app, right? This very app, as you can see right here, it say enjoy data free access, right? And this very app is only available on Nigeria and in Kenya. So if you're from other country like Ghana, Cameroon and other sort of Africa countries, this app is not available on those countries yet, but with time it will be available on other countries. But the only country is available on right now is Nigeria and Kenya. So what you have to do is very simple. You are going to sign up with this very app, right? You're going to sign up with this very app and you're going to open this app. So what we are going to do right now is to click on next. So once you click on next, you are going to input your phone number. So you're going to put in your phone number right here. So they're going to send you an OTP, right, to verify your number, right? So you're going to put in the OTP, auto verification. As you can see, it's already verified. Then the next thing you are going to do is to put in the username you are going to use, right? You're going to put in your preferred name. Put in your preferred name, click on proceed, and they are going to ask you for a referral code. This one is very important. So this referral code is very important. The reason is because once you use this referral code, you are going to be getting a 500 MB welcome, right? So you are going to be getting a 500 MB welcome bonus. I'm going to be showing you how you can get up to 5 to 10 gig every single day with this very app. So you are going to use this referral code. I will leave this referral code in the description of this video below. So make sure you use it so that you can have access to your first 500 MB and you can start accumulating that MB 2 gigabytes. So let's go. You click on continue, apply. So guys, right there guys, that is how you can create your account. Now if you come over to my account right now, if you come over to my gigabyte right now, as you can see I have over 30 gigabyte right now on this very app I have not used. So I'm going to be showing you how you can accumulate up to 5 gig to 10 gig every single day. So make sure you use that referral code so that you can have your first 500 gig, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get up to 5 to 10 gig every single day with this very application. So follow this video step by step and follow everything I'm about to share with you, because I'm going to be sharing with you a trick on how you can get this very gigabyte. Now this app is called Recharge. I believe you must have heard of Recharge, or maybe you have not heard of it. Now if you go to your Play Store, App Store, just go and search for Recharge and you are going to see the app right there. It's available on iPhone or Android phone. As you can see, this is the very app right here. It's called Recharge. Now if you come to Facebook right now, you can see that people are already talking about this app. Now this is their social media handle. As you can see, did you know you could get up to 500 megabytes if you use a friend referral code, or get up to 1 gig if your friend uses your referral code, right? As you can see right here, this very person right here is saying Recharge app is giving out free data to Nigerians and Kenyans who downloads the app. So as you can see, how to get the data, right? Kindly download the app from Play Store or App Store, register with your phone number and input this code. Then you get 500 MB and you will also get 1 gig data bonus referring someone. Now imagine referring up to 10 people, download the app and be rewarded with 10 gig. So let me show you guys right now on how you can get up to 10 gig every single day. So follow me step by step. Now before I share with you how you can get up to 5 to 10 gig every single day. Now this is how you can use the data. It's very simple. And you want to make sure you have up to like 5 MB or 10 MB on your data balance, because you want to use your data to activate this plan. Right now, imagine I want to use this data right now. What I will do is very simple now. So once I come to this very zero data, let me take you back so that I can show you how I got here. I got here by simply clicking on my profile. Then I click on zero data, so you can see it right here. So once I click on zero data, this pop up. Right, what we're going to do that time is to toggle this on, right? You're going to toggle this on and your data is going to be activated. It's very simple. So I'm going to click on toggle on, and you can see data free mode is on, and it's going to load up and it's going to be activated, right? So guys, as you can see right now, this is my MTN, and as you can see right now, say you are now accessing a zero data service powered by Simplified. I'll click on OK, and it's going to load up. Like right now, I have nothing on my MTN. I have zero data on my MTN, right? I only use Glo. I only have data on my Glo. That was what I was using before. Now I've already switched down to MTN. As you can see right now, I say, hey, you are now browsing data free. All right. What this means that while accessing apps listed of zero data, your data will not be used or expanded. As you can see, this is available on all network. It's supported by all network: Glo, MTN, AIRTEL, and 9MOBILE, and is also supported in Kenya. As you can see, these are Kenya network, AIRTEL, which is coming soon, and Safari. And now these are the apps. As you can see, which apps or websites are currently data free. Number one app right here is the Recharge app, which is the very app we are using. Right now, number two app is Twitter. Now you can browse Twitter free, download the image of Twitter, do whatever you want to do on Twitter. Right now, number three app right here is LiveScore. Now the next app right here is LiveScore. As you can see, follow spot updates like you never did before. And the next website is called Wikipedia, right? As you can see, being a nerd is new cool. We bring the world knowledge to you completely data free, right? You can see for apps and websites owner, make your site data free. Now, if you have a app or you have an app or Play Store or you have a website, you can just come here, click on this get started button right here, and you can easily make your app and your website data free on this very platform, right? So more platform, more app will be available on this platform. So right now, these are the only app and website which is available on data free. Right now, you can use those things to browse and do whatever you want to do as you can. So I want to show you right now how you can get up to 5 to 10 gig every single day. Now you get 1 gig each person you refer. Now this is how you can get up to 5 and 10 gig. Now you want to refer as much people as possible. I know that is hard. That's the reason I'm going to share this trick with you. Now this is how you can get up to 5 to 10 gig. Now if you have more than one SIM or two SIM, now you can register each of your SIM and you can get free data on each of those SIM. Now if you have more than two SIM, three SIM, you can register all these SIMs and you can get free data on these SIMs. Now you have mom, you have dad, all of them use phone, right? You can use their SIM to register and you get free data. So any SIM you use to register, any line you use to register, you get free data. Your brother, your sister, any of them, your friends, your family, just tell them download this app, you have free data. They want to download because everybody need free data right now, because people spend chunks of money on data every single day. So when they see alternative to use data for free, they are going to grab it. Now you can register your multiple SIM and your multiple line and you can get free data on them. How you can do that? Just come to Play Store. You can just come here and you can search for multi-space. Search for multi-space and you are going to download this app called multi-space. So once you download the app, what you are going to do is to create a multiple account on Recharge, right? So once you create multiple accounts, you are going to be getting multiple data. So as many accounts you can create, that's as many data you are going to get. So you can create 10 accounts a day and you have 10 gigabyte of data. If you can create 5 accounts a day, you're going to be having 5 gigabyte of data. So once you open this very app right now, as you can see, multiple space, you click on start. You are going to allow this right now. So what you're going to do is very simple, right? These are apps on my phone. What I'm going to do is to look for Recharge app, right? This is it right now, Recharge. I'll click on it and I'm going to clone it. So it's going to clone this app for me. I'm going to open it right here and I'm going to create a new account. And I'm going to create a new account with this very app. As you can see, this is a Recharge app. As you can see, I can just click on get started, next, next, and I'm going to create a new account with a new number. So what I'm going to do is to create a new account with a new number. So any new number you create, you have 1 gig of data. If you create 10 new number, you have 10 gig of data every single day. So guys, I believe this video was helpful to you. All right, if you find value in this video, feel free to like this video, and please drop a comment below if this works for you. Drop a comment, and if you have any questions, you have any challenges, you can also pass it in the comment section. I'm going to reply to it. Right now, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do wait to hit that subscribe button and join this community, and you can share this video to someone you know it will be valuable to them, because there are people out there who need free data. Share it to them, and they're going to thank you for it. So guys, with that said, I'm going to be seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.
This is how you can get up to 10 gigabytes every single day using this very simple method. I believe you find value in this video. If you do, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this channel, or follow this account if you are watching from TikTok, because I'm going to be dropping more amazing tech videos around this very topic. And not just that, more amazing videos. You can check out my channels. I have dozens of videos waiting for you on ways to make money, how to create a US account, how to get a US number, and diverse tech and making money videos you can lay your hands on. So go ahead right now, subscribe to this channel so that you can have suggestions of more of my videos on your feed. And follow this account if you are watching from TikTok or Instagram. So with that said, I'll see you around in my next video. Bye for now.